Welcome to my fetching art channel. Creating art can take many forms and each type of art requires different techniques. Pencil, graphite, charcoal or colored eraser papers. Begin by sketching basic shapes like circles, squares, or you can make different things by using art. And these techniques, it creates an amazing look. Gradually add details to the drawing and art, such as texture, shading, and patterns. Use a variety of shading techniques like hedging or blending. Go over your drawing and art. Remove any extra lines or sketches that are no longer necessary. Apply bold strokes to fill the major areas with colors. Gradually build up layers of paint, or you can say marker colors. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Add in the fine details and highlights last using a smaller brush. Allow your painting to dry and then you make different things by using clay. It looks amazing. Clay sculpting tools, water chisel. Depending on whether you are working with clay, wood or metal, ensure you have the appropriate tools and materials. Start with forming the general shape of your sculpture. For clay, you can knead and mold the materials. By using paper and different colors, you make different things. Incorporate with other materials like paint, markers or other embellishment. Thanks for watching this video.